Are you managing a construction site in Joliet? Knowing how to provide adequate sanitation facilities is crucial. Today, we'll break down the essentials of effective porta potty planning to meet OSHA and local requirements. First, let's talk about OSHA guidelines. You need one porta potty for every 20 workers, but practical needs may demand more. For small crews under 16, 1 unit suffices. Crews with 16-35 workers typically need 2 units. Make sure they are within 200 feet of work areas. Illinois adds specific regulations. Facilities must be cleaned regularly and adequately stocked. Non-compliance can lead to fines and health hazards. Therefore, understanding these standards is vital for every site manager. Next, consider the accessibility of porta potties. OSHA states units should not be more than 200 feet from workers. They must be reachable within 10 minutes. Clear pathways must be maintained, ensuring worker safety and comfort. On to ratios. 115 workers need 1 unit, 1635 requires 2, and more than 36 means adding extra units based on size. Weather and specific project needs can further influence these calculations. Shift duration matters too. Longer shifts of over 10 hours may need an additional 25%-50% more units. Gender composition impacts this as well, with women requiring more restroom time. Placement is key. Position porta potties to allow 24/7 access within compliance boundaries. Keep them clear of food areas and ensure ADA accessibility. Next, think about servicing frequency. Larger sites with 50+ workers need bi-weekly servicing. Keep a close watch on waste levels, especially during hot weather. Lastly, partner with reliable porta potty rental companies. Ensure they understand local regulations and can meet your needs. Check for proper documentation before making a decision. To summarize, proper planning for porta potty usage on construction sites is crucial. Adhering to OSHA and local standards protects your workers and keeps your project on track. Ready to get started? Contact a trusted porta potty rental provider today to secure the right facilities for your team.